So Giz, I heard that I played any types of games called Thomas the Train or Flex UG codes. So Giz, we're gonna use the fireworks at 30 December 2025. And yes, Giz, I will miss 2026. Some people are getting terminated, so don't ban me, Giz, or else all my videos will get removed. And yes, I probably put this video with music. Anyways, so a lot of people are making fireworks from 2025. And yes, and how did I found the fireworks? We're gonna post a blog on any channel, so guys, please check out our any blogs channel, hit and subscribe button. Thank you. Hey guys, Pilot here. I just got an iPhone for 1 hour in Miss. You gotta be kidding me. So in my house there's fireworks. And that's my computer. Man, time to check the videos. Let's click it. No, this can't be, my video is gone down. So yeah guys, that's all we have. The fireworks is somewhere. Where's my fireworks? My fireworks, they're gone. Wait, what's that sound?